Have you ever struggled with math? For most of us, there was a certain point in our student history when we felt frustration, fear, or anger against math. And I bet you remember when you had to learn and master multiplication tables. Or maybe you have a recent story with a significant one. Well, we are doing something about it.
Imagine a world where children have lost their fear of math, where they no longer choose a professional future avoiding math, where they could be an engineer, an aerospace specialist, a mathematician, a programmer, or a robotics expert.
According with some international tests, 6 out of 10 children around the world do not reach the basic math skills.
Multiplication tables are often the first big challenge kids face in math. Memorizing 100 multiplication facts that seem pointless can be very hard and scary for them. I was one of those kids.
And when I heard my own daughter singing 2 times 2, 2 times 3, I wondered why kids are learning multiplication tables the same way I did. Really? So I started working. I wanted to find her an easier, simpler, and funnier way to learn and practice. But because I couldn't find anything really useful, I created the Math Magical Circles.
The core of MMCs is a circular shape with 4 numbers in it. 2 operators at the left and right side, the addition of both in the upper space, and its multiplication in the space below.
But let me show you why this is magical. This is the fire MMC, and in this one, you can read 5 times 8 is 40, 8 times 5 is 40, and now 2 additions. 5 plus 8 is 13, and 8 plus 5 is 13. But you can also read 13 minus 5 is 8, 13 minus 8 is 5, 40 divided by 5 is 8, and 40 divided by 8 is 5.
What you can read in this solely MMC is 2 additions, 2 subtractions, 2 multiplications, and 2 divisions.
With MMCs, we don't waste time with multiplications nor additions with 1 and 10. A simple explanation to children will be enough. And since we are using community property, only 36 MMCs were needed to be built, and each one of them got an easy to remember figure, an image that let the brain build all the links and connections needed to recover a memory, and in this case, a math magical circle with these numbers. For the past 10 years, I've been helping kids master basic math operations, helped by some foundations like Rotary International, thousands of teachers, and 4 ministries of education in Mexico. More than 150,000 students have learned and mastered basic math operations with MMCs, improving their grades and losing their fear of the subject. But this has taken a lot of time, and that is why we are asking you for help.
Our next dream is to create a video game. This app will feature 36 minigames, 1 for each math magical circle. Children will learn additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions, even without realizing it.
They will be able to practice, set records, compete with friends, and improve their scores each time they play. With this app, we could reach thousands, and why not, maybe millions of kids around the world. Children are the future, and to shape a brighter future for them and for all of us, I ask you to take action now. Will it work? Of course. During the last 4 months, I've been working with the Instituto Tecnológico de Sonora, a prestigious Mexican university, building a pilot. The children's response has been excellent. They show interest in games, getting involved, and having fun. How do we ensure that they learn and master the basic math operations?
At the right time, we will reveal a very simple but powerful secret trick to all of our sponsors, ensuring that kids are learning effectively by increasing their speed and reducing errors. So, if you're intrigued, you know what to do. In a world where math often feels daunting for children, we have developed an innovative and efficient method proven by thousands of kids, teachers, and parents. But we need your help. You can change the world with us. Help us reach every child globally, giving them the opportunities they deserve and fostering a more prosperous world for them and for everyone.
With your support, we will turn this long-desired dream into a reality. Will you join us and have fun with us?